Why do we make our lives so hard just to prove we are right? We carry heavy stress every day simply because our ego refuses a simple solution. This story shows how letting go of stubborn pride can instantly change your life. Two woodcutters, Julian and Marcus, walked down a steep mountain path under the burning sun. Their backs were bent, their shoulders were bleeding, and their feet dragged heavily on the dirty road. Each man was carrying a massive, suffocating bundle of fresh timber. They had worked 10 grueling hours without food or rest. Suddenly, an old merchant stepped onto the path and stopped them. He held out 2 shining gold coins and said, "Drop your wood right here. I will buy each bundle for 1 gold coin." Julian did not hesitate. He untied his heavy rope, dropped the crushing load onto the dirt, and took the shiny coin with a relieved smile. But Marcus grew furious. He glared at the merchant and yelled, "10 hours of my blood and sweat are worth way more than 1 coin. I will carry this wood all the way to the city market and sell it for its full price." The merchant looked deeply into Marcus's eyes and warned him, "If you carry that heavy load to the city, you will suffer, gain nothing, and return home with empty hands." Marcus refused to listen. He believed he was completely right, and the merchant was just trying to cheat him. He pulled the crushing wood back onto his bleeding back and marched forward, sweating and groaning in pain. Julian walked right beside him, completely relaxed, carrying only a light coin in his pocket. By midnight, they finally reached the distant city, but the gates were locked. The market was pitch black, and all buyers were long gone. Exhausted beyond endurance, Marcus dropped his wood in a dark, wet alley. By morning, rain and insects had completely ruined the timber. Marcus sat on the cold mud, crying from pain and hunger. He had no food, no rest, and no money. Meanwhile, Julian used his gold coin to buy warm soup, fresh bread, and still had savings left for his family. When Marcus complained that life was completely unfair, the merchant appeared again and said softly, "You were not carrying wood, Marcus. You were carrying your own massive ego. Julian traded heavy labor for peace, but you traded peace for useless pride."
Life lesson. Many people suffer needlessly every day because they are trapped by their own stubborn pride. They refuse easy solutions or simple help just because they want to prove how tough or right they are. Carrying a heavy burden just to satisfy your ego will only leave you exhausted, broken, and empty-handed. True wisdom is knowing when to drop the useless weight and walk home with peace in your heart. If this story touched your heart today, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring English stories every week. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell to practice your English with us daily.